Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can adjust any item in Dress to Impress using the accessory adjustment glitch. It is a little bit difficult to do. It took me like, 10 minutes to be able to adjust the accessory I wanted to adjust. So for instance, I wanted to adjust this wing here. It is easier if you made the tab smaller, so just press Shift F11 and just make it smaller, like here. And you're just going to basically click between the item that you can use the accessory adjustments and the one that you can't. So right here, I'm just clicking very fast in between those two. And when you see, like the moment you see that accessory adjustment button, you're like on the one that you cannot adjust, you're going to press it. You're going to press on it really quickly, and then you'll be able to move it like so. I'm not sure if you can scale it, but you can scale it and rotate it. Sorry, you can position it and rotate it as I'm doing right now. But yeah, that is it. It is super difficult to do if I'm being like super completely honest, but it does work. As you can see, I can adjust the wings here. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.